Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel and I hope you're doing good mga lods. And for today's video guys, we will be doing to watch and react ito sa itong bagong nakitang video. So this is the Ikaw Ay Ako by RG Ben. Kabaels, this is the male version. Yan. So, what's maganda? Let's get on. Sana masama niyo consultant of this my reaction video. Maraming salamat po. Let's go! Detalyado. Linis. Wow. Galing. Galing. Wow. As. Love that. Grabe ang astig. Are my trademark? Grabe. Ang galing. Parang may pamamalat at may trademark yung kanyang boses. Talagang yung emosyon ay ramdam na ramdam mo talaga sa paggaling niya sa pagkanta. And kayo po guys, ano yung masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance? Grabe, na-miss po kayo at nagustuhan niyo ba ang kanyang boses? Grabe, ang galing, no? So please comment down below kung ano po yung masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance. At talaga namang hindi kayo, I'm pretty sure na nagustuhan niyo ang kanyang performance sa linis ng kanyang pagmensahe ng kanta. So this is the courtesy of cover, courtesy by RG Ben Kabael official channel. So please check out sa kanyang official channel. So ilalagay ko po ang link sa ating description box. So that's the very end, guys, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. And sana pag-ingat kayo palagi guys. And thank you so much for watching, for watching this video. And please subscribe to our channel para updated kayo for more. And see you on my next one. Bye bye.